How's it going today, everyone? Top Hat here, and welcome to this beautiful fall day in spring. Believe it or not, the sun was out earlier, but as you can see, not so much now. So me and my son Arga, we're going to go to a local car show that's at where I work. It's the first car show of the season. Crappy day. Hopefully it won't rain, but still going to go.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark.
So this car show happens every Wednesday from about beginning of May till it starts getting cold out. You know, it depends on when it starts cooling down. It's a good show. You know, last year I think we had a little over 200 plus cars show up. It's about a 5-minute ride from my house. Not a lot, but there are some nice cars that show up. So, yeah, my wife gets out of work at 5. We'll meet her there and check it out.
Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I leave you with every piece of you. Underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Story to beat so, but I heard one of you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depth of your despair. Make a home down there as my sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all.
Here we are, another hellcat. I hope he parks next to me because that would just be awesome. I think it's a 17 model though. Alright guys, that fellow hellcat owner that just rolled up just showed me something sick. So apparently there's this thing that they make for the hellcat. I forgot, it's a Z-Auto taser. And what it does is it messes with your lights. He pulled it out of his car, we stuck it into my OBD2, and it allows the lights to flash. Apparently there are several different patterns. It does The ones on the side, the rear, and the front as well. So if you look, I can just hit the unlock button and change the style, and it goes back and forth between different ones. There's 6 different modes, and this is absolutely incredible. And he said it's like 250 bucks. So what we will do is we'll do an order video on this, and it's absolutely incredible. And apparently it does several other things as well, but this is pretty cool as it sits. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna unplug it real quick. See what it does is it plugs right into your OBD2. So in our cars, it's right here, and apparently, and that's it. Z Automotive, zautotech.com. Just plug it in, taser, and it messes with the lights. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to get me one of those. You'll pay me back in time and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. I was so high, I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that controlled my mind. Whispered goodbye as she got on the plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. Yeah, this love has taken its soul on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. I tried my best to feed her appetite, to keep her coming every night, so hard to keep her satisfied. Kept playing love like it was just a game, pretending to feel the same, to turn around and leave again. Right now, this love has taken its soul. Check out these 2 slow cars here. Mine is right here. It's an automatic. His right here is a manual. What were the odds of us both being here tonight? She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. show's over now. Everyone's gone home. Ended a little early tonight, a little cold out. But I will see everyone on the next one. Until then, be well.